नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते राधानाथ स्वामिनिति नामिने नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष हरि पाश्चात्य देशनानि जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 ओम अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. So today we are reading Bhagavad Gita, chapter 11, the universal form. Arjuna uvacha mad anugrahaya paramam guhyam adhyatmas sangitam यत्वयोक्तं वचस्तेन मोह अयम विगतो मम. Arjuna said, by my hearing the instruction you have kindly given me about this most confidential spiritual subject, my illusion has now been dispelled. भवाप्यो हि भूतानां श्रुतो विस्तरशो मया तत्वकमल पक्षात्र पत्राक्ष महात्म्य अपि च अव्ययम्. O lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity and have realized your inexhaustible glories. एवमेतद् यथात्म एव एतद् यथात्वम् आत्मनां परमेश्वरं दृष्टुमिच्छामि ते रूपम् ऐश्वर्यं पुरुषोत्तम. O greatest of all personalities, O supreme form, though I see you here before me in your actual position, as you have described yourself, I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. Manasye yadi tapchakyam maya drustimiti prabho योगेश्वर ततो मे त्वं दर्शयान्त मान अव्ययम्. If you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, O my Lord, O Master of all mystic power, then kindly show me that unlimited universal self. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Pashya me partha rupani shatasho atha sahasrasha नाना विधानि दिव्यानि नाना वर्णान कृतिन च. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, my dear Arjuna, O son of Pritha, see now my opulences, 100,000 of varied divine and multicolored forms. Pashyadityana vasuna रुद्रान अश्विनौ मारुतस्रथा बहूनि अदृष्टा पूर्वाणि पश्याश्चर्याणि भारत. O best of Bharatas, see here the different manifestation of Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini Kumaras and all the other demigods. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard or before. Yahi kastam jagat krishnam pasyadya sacharacharam mamadehe gudakesha yachanya drishtum ichhasi. O Arjuna, whatever you wish to see, behold at once in this body of mine. This universal form can show you whatever you now desire to see and whatever you may want to see in the future. Everything moving and non-moving is here. completely in one place. न तु मां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम अनेन स्वचक्षुषा दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षु पश्य मे योगमेश्वर. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulence. Sanjay uvacha एवमुक्त्वा ततो राजन् महायोगेश्वरो हरि दर्शयामास पार्थाय परमं रूपेमैश्वर. Sanjaya said, O king, having spoken thus, the supreme lord of all mystic power, the personality of God had displayed his universal form to Arjuna. Aneka vaktra nayanam अनेक भूता दर्शनम अनेक दिव्याभरणम दिव्योनकोदयात् युधम. दिव्यमाल्यंबराधारम दिव्यगंधानुलेपनम सर्वश्चार्य मायां देवम अनंतं विश्वतोमुखम्. अनेक वक्त्र नयनम. ठीक है. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouth, unlimited eyes, unlimited wonderful visions. The form was decorated with many celestial ornaments and bore many divine upraised weapons. He wore celestial garlands and garments, and many divine scent were smeared over his body. All was wondrous, brilliant, unlimited, all expanding. Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhavet Yugapad Utthita Yadi Bhava Sadarshi Sasyat Bhasastasya Mahatmana. If hundreds of thousands of suns were to rise at once into skies, their radiance might resemble the effulgence of Supreme Personality in that universal form. Tatrekastham jagat kutsnam pravibhakta manekada upashya deva devasya sharire pandavas vastata. At that time Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansion of the universe situated in one place, though divided into many thousands. Tatha sa vismaya visto Rishtaroma Dhananjaya Pramanya Shirasha Devam Kutta Jalita Bhashata. Then, bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, Arjuna bowed his head to offer obeisances and with folded hand began to pray to the Supreme Lord. Arjuna uvacha pashyami devam stava deva dehe sarvastata bhuta vishesha sanghan brahmana isham कमलस्थानं ऋषिश्च सर्वानुरुगाश्च दिव्यान्. Arjun said, My dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower as well as Lord Shiva and all the sages and divine serpents. अनेक बहु दर वक्त्रम नेत्रम पश्यामि त्वं सर्वतो नंतरूपम नान्तं न मध्यम न पुनस्तवादिं पश्यामि विश्वेश्वर विश्वरूप O Lord of the universe, O universal form, I see in your body many, many arms, bellies, mouth, and eyes, expanded everywhere without limits. I see in you no end, no middle, and no beginning. किरीटीदं गदिनं चक्रीणमच्च तेजो राशि सर्वतो दीप्तिमन्तनं पश्यामि त्वां दुर्निरीक्षं समन्ताद दीप्तानलङ्कृतिमप्रमेयम्. Your form is difficult to see because of its glaring effulgence, spreading on all sides like blazing fire or the immeasurable radiance of the sun. Yet I see this glowing form everywhere, adorned with various crown clubs and discs. Tvam aksharam paramam veditvayam tvam asya vishvasya param nidanam tvam अव्ययम शाश्वत धर्म गोप्ता सनातन सत्वम पुरुषो मतो मे. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the unlimited resting place of all this universe. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of the eternal religion, the personality of Godhead. This is my opinion. Anadimadhyantam antaviryam anantabahum sashisuryanetram pasyami tvam dipta bhutasavakram swatejasa vishvam idam tapantam. You are without origin, middle or end. Your glory is unlimited. You have numberless arms, and the sun and moon are your eyes. I see you with blazing fire coming forth from your mouth, burning this entire universe by your own radiance. Dvaya prithviyor idam antaram hi vyaptam tvaikena disam cha sarva दृष्टा दुभूतं रूपा मुग्रं तवेदं लोकत्रयं प्रव्यतितं महात्मना. Although you are one, you spread throughout the sky and the planets and all spaces between, O Great One. Seeing this wondrous and terrible form, all the planetary system are perturbed. Amihitvam Sura Sanghavishanti Kechidabhita Rajalayo Grunanti Swasti Uktava Maharshi Siddha Sangha Suvanti Tvam Stuti Bhi Pushkala Bhi. All the host of demigods are surrendering before you and entering into you. Some of them, very much afraid, are offering prayers with folded hands. Host of great sages and perfect beings crying, all peace, are praying to you by singing the Vedic hymns. Rudra Aditya Vasavo Ye Cha Sandhya Sadhya Vishve Ashvino Maruta Chosh Mapash Cha Gandharva Yakshasha Siddha Sangha Vishante Tvam Vishmitas Chaiva Sarve. All the various manifestations of Lord Shiva, the Adityas, the Vasus, the Sadhyas, the Vishve Devas, the two Ashvis, the Maruts, the forefather, the Gandharva, the Yakshas, the Asuras, and the perfect demigods are beholding you in wonder. Rupam Mahatte Bahuvakra Netram Mahabaho Bahubahurupadam बहुधरं बहुदृष्टकरालं दृष्टा लोको प्रयास्ते स्तास् tataham. O mighty armed one, all the planets with their demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form, with its many faces, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, and bellies, and your many terrible teeth, and as they are disturbed, so am I. Nabhashya pushpam diptamanekvarna व्याताननं दीप्तविशालनेत्रं दृष्टा हि त्वां प्रभयाथीन्तर आत्मा धृतिन विदान्मि शमं च विष्णो. O all pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors touching the sky, your gaping mouths and your great glowing eyes, my mind is perturbed by fear. I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind. Drishta Drimista Karalani Chato Mukte Mukhani Driste Vakalan न सन्निभानि दिशो न जाने न लभे च शर्म प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास. O Lord of Lords, O refuge of the worlds, please be gracious to me. I cannot keep my balance seeing thus your blazing death-like faces and awful teeth in all direction. I am bewildered. अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्राय पुत्रा सर्वसहेवावनिपालसङ्गे भीष्मो द्रोणासुतपृस्तथासो सहास्मदीयैरपि योद्धमुखे वक्त्राणि ते त्वर्माणा विशन्ति दृष्टा करालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु सदृश्यन्ते चुणिते ऋतमाङ्गे. All the sons of Dhritarashtra along with their allied kings and Bhishma, Drona, Karna and our chief soldier also are rushing into your fearful mouth, and some I see trapped with heads smashed between your teeth. यथा नदीनां बहवोऽम्बुवेगा समुद्रमेवाभिमुखा द्रवन्ति तथा तवामि नरलोकवीरा विशन्ति वक्त्राणि अभिविज्वलन्ति. As the many waves of the river flows into ocean, so do all these great warriors enter blazing into your mouth. Yatha pradiptam jwalanam patanga vishanti nashaya samudhavega tatheva nashaya vishanti lokas tvapi vaktrani samudhavega. I see all people rushing full speed into your mouth, as moth dash to destruction in blazing, as moth dash to destruction in a blazing fire. Leli hasse grasaman samantal lokan samagran vadane jwaladvi tejo virapurya jagat samagram bhasastavogra prapanti Vishnu. O Vishnu, I see you devouring all people from all sides with your flaming mouths, covering all the universe with your effulgence. You are manifest with terrible scorching eyes. Akhya hi me ko bhava nugrupo namo astu te devavar prasida. Vidnyantumat ज्ञातुमिच्छामि भवक्तमाद्यं न हि प्रजानामि तव प्रवृत्तिम्. O Lord of Lords, so fierce of form, please tell me who you are. I offer my obeisances unto you. Please be gracious to me. You are the primeval Lord. I want to know about you, for I do not know what your mission is. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kaloasmi Lokashayat Kruta Pravruddha Lokan Samahartumiha Pravrutta Rute api tvam na bhavishyanti sarve ye avistha pratyanikeshu yodha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, Time, I am the great destroyer of the worlds, and I have come here to destroy all people with the exception of you, the Pandavas. All the soldiers here on both sides will be slain. Tasmat tvamustis yatho labhasva jitva shatrun bhungashva rajya samudvam maevetti niyata purvameva nimittamatram bhavasavya. Therefore get up, prepare to fight and win glory. Conquer your enemies and enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death.